Jacinta says she was supposed to be arrested. Anyway, guys, let's get to start of today. No, the Rosada Hasu, Samana Pizan Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Friday, happy 2026. So, Jacinta says Mango Zuma, Twitter, Facebook account, and this is what she has to say. Thank you, guys, for behaving yourself at the match. I was supposed to be arrested on the day of the match for things going wrong at the match. By God's grace, it didn't happen because all the match, they were not what they had planned or expected. So, according to Jessica Zuma, she said if something went wrong with that day on Tuesday, she was supposed to be arrested, guys. But since you guys behave, she like to say thank you so much, guys, for the love and support. The way you guys carry yourself on that day, it means a lot to her, guys. You have saved her. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Bye.